We're making content.
Morning.
Good morning. It's going to be a good day.
Tim's got his Red Bull. Look.
Yeah, we've got. It's going to be a good day.
He spins around on his desk behind him.
Oh yes, it's going to be a really good day. We will be full of enthusiasm and vigour.
So does that now mean we get twice the output?
Steady. Steady. I think there's a count. Oh yeah. It's a good day. We're going to be all right. We're going to count. We'll pay for that later. Right. We've got a can of throttle. We'll be good. It's going to be a good day.
Right. We have had a request from Friskney Primary School that could we pop along and speak to them, sort of the children there, regarding sort of, say, careers for the future. Obviously they're young children, but it's always good to start and sow the seed young. So they've asked us could we help. So we thought, who better could we send along to do this than young Tim? So Tim is going back to school.
What would you like to know? It's obviously Careers Week, I believe,
It is,
at Friskney, yeah. And you cannot have a Careers Week in Friskney without a tractor.
Have you got any other questions before we have a bit of a sit with tractor? Vinny stood very sensibly with his hands up.
School? How do you get through the mud?
Oh, good question.
Oh, that is a good question. That is a very good question. On the road, we have two-wheel drive, so the back wheels are pushing us along. And then when it gets really muddy and slippery, we've got a button so we can drive the front wheels as well. So all four wheels driving, that's the best chance you're going to have of getting through. It doesn't always work. We've had a few disappointments, but that's how we do it. He's done this before. He got it. You know what you're doing with this, don't you? How's that? There's a bit of a secret here, though. You have done this before, haven't you?
And it tries for a drive.
Yes. Don't ask me how I know that, but yes. So long as it's not got the barriers that are a bit too high. This one, 142,000 for this one.
42,000.
And we have 15. These?
15.
15. On the way back, we've been to Friskney Primary School, hopefully inspire the next generation of farmers and agricultural people. Right, Rui's just arrived from Manners Transport. Probably a world record breaking turnaround there. Tipped, soon we're ready to go, just finishing your break. Yep. Thank you very much for that, Rui. Do you want to just give us a bit of a rundown on who Manners are?
Yeah, John Manners Transport, family business. They ran about 14 lorries, mainly on machinery, a little bit of general haulage, And alongside that, the combine breakers, they've got somewhere in the region of 300 combines in the yard for spares and all that kind of stuff, new and second hand spares.
The nice thing we like about Manners is you make one phone call, one message to Eddie, and it's done. I messaged Eddie last week. Actually, Eddie messaged me. I think he was looking for a load back up this part of the world. That was it. It's done. Here you are.
As easy as that.
Yeah.
It's
You're
really
here.
like-
It's taped. Job done. It's simple. So we like that, and thank you very much.
No bother.
Do come again.
Try.
Monday morning, we're in the yard and lot to do. Yeah, busy week this week. Lots of things going on this week, some events to attend. A new member of our team joining us today. So yeah, plenty to do. So let's get on with it. We're just emptying the paint shop at the moment. We've got tanks here that have been drying over the weekend, and we've got to refill the paint shop with stuff that's been blasted ready. So let's go. Let's crack on. What you're actually witnessing is that Michelle, who's doing our sales, doing an awesome job and selling stuff faster than we can get it ready. So both our depots, Kent and Lincolnshire, extremely busy trying to keep up with Michelle's selling. But if you need to buy anything, give Michelle a ring. Keep us busy. We have had an absolutely awesome week here at GCS. The weeks here just fly by. So we've been to the dough show. We had our Grassman video released. Now we must need to say, we need to thank the whole Grassman team and Gareth for coming here and filming. If you haven't already seen it, the video is now released on the Grassman YouTube channel. And I think it's something like about 35,000 views at the point of us filming this today, which is incredible. And on the back of that, the phone has been red hot with Tim with forthcoming hires. So absolutely fantastic response to the video. So thank you very much for that. Machinery sales, we have had a brilliant week selling machinery. The tanks that you saw come in on Manners lorry have been through the workshops, been painted, have gone again off to a farm for irrigation pumps or something very similar. Loads of tanks over through mixers, tanks, junior lifts, you name it, we've been busy with it. So thank you very much for all our customers. Thank you for all our viewers. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget, look for the Grassman video, please, and click a like button on there. So thank you very much. See you again soon.